the only way these church-going occultists, occultists disguised as the na-ekwu are still alive is because of Nahaji. You people, they are fellow Christians. Atoto. Because Obolomo Kiyeji were Toto. Do you know what I mean? I saw the video, or the snippets of the video that Occult, right, was talking about this thing, about how Tinubu was unhappy. Like, because that man deserves happiness. So, I saw that video, and Eaglet Davidson, was asking him, so Oga, the things that you have done for Tinubu, that is not even important. I saw that video, and the only reason, if you think of the people that have died, the people that have suffered, the people that have literally lost their breath, their blood failed them, because of that government, right? The suffering, unnecessary suffering. If you think of the insecure, like bad aura that has been sent this person's spirit, remember, you are not going to play yourself. That has been sent this person's spirit, guy. The only reason you still be alive is if you're in, like, the only reason is if you're in an occult society. ABG, like, bro, do you understand? Because of you, women have died in bad conditions. In bad condition, women have died giving birth. They've died because of bad hospitals. They've died because of bad road. People, tankers falling on people. People have burned because of you for 24 years. Only if the spirit, there is the spirit now, and your spirit go day fucking dead. Like, in go day completely at zero. Ndi otugi ya lapogi. Yota. Ndi obanjeki, ndi oragi, mmuo, them go leave you. And I see that in about one of our celebrity who want to go enter government in India to leave him. So now him now guys go. I don't even send that message 2 times. In now, guys go join occult society. People where they use madu to auto, and the person I get you auto or blow alusi pablo yotagu. Na mada de lira bukama bueliegi the wine. Occult akwacha sibi akwana. They are the law. No. Gwana na isi guide. Ogwa we Christian kayeji toto. And this is for the Okachamara that we say there is nothing like blood sacrifice. This frequency where you are seeing matter is unable. I agree with you. I heard him. This frequency where you are seeing me, seeing things, is just a frequency. There is matter that you cannot see. There is spiritual. You know what I'm saying? So that's your business. So the way that I will offer blood to my spirit, but I cannot go and offer human blood to them. Right? I have spirit that can collect human blood if needed. Your mmuo ikenga, but mmuo jagaya. So. But you can't just go and carry an innocent person and go and sacrifice. So the question is, where can you get that kind of spirit that does not care, that is not NDH affiliated, that will take this thing, take a human being, basically the highest form of onwuzu. It's not even DB as a used dog or something, you know what I'm saying, or just, you know what I'm saying, for their own. You now don't go carry human being. So that spirit guys be a very dirty spirit, like an imported deity. Guys be, you know, go be ordinary. So yes, you go carry on, you go share the offer you to him in exchange of making guide in spiritual form. So I get you my do to. I'm not going to age. Abana agwa gife da no fit na ni kuye. No go guide your spirituality. maka ndị na-ekwa aka inu wepụla anyị aka